Yo, 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 yo. We are back with another video. Rocket City Classic Cars. Hit that like button, that share button. Hey, it's E38s, right? E38s. We got E34s. We have a little bit of everything. We're back at the BMW lot. It's not a junkyard. It's a lot, all right? So let me go ahead and do a quick walk around to let you guys know what we are working with. So as you can see, a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. Got some Miatas over here. Got some wheels for sale. Hey, if you're looking to restore a BMW, definitely hit me up and I can get you in contact with the owner of all these BMWs. Impars on the ground. This is an old E38 that's being parted, I should say. Some decent parts still on there. Now, a lot of these cars are running and driving. They might just be missing some parts. I know this E38, not E38, this E34 right here, it still runs. But of course, the bumper has been sold. But hey, it's here if you need it, or if you want it, I should say. A little bit of everything. Got some E90s, E36. Let's see what's back here. A little bit of everything. Now I was close to buying this E39 540 some months ago, but it's just one of those things where it was just too far gone for me to invest money into rebuilding this, because with these cars you can easily spend $10,000 and still not even be halfway finished with the end product. It's another wagon. A little bit of everything. Oh, hey. So what do you know? E30 time. I believe this one's a 1987. Looks to be in good condition. It was still running and driving when it was picked up, so this would be a nice project car for somebody. Interior, yep. Definitely needs some work. It's an M3. E36 M3. Hey. Would you look at that? Manual too. Come get it. Needs a front bumper, but hey. Well, there you have it, folks. That's all the BMWs I'm going to show you. Let's see what else we have here. Interesting. 43,000 miles. Wow. Like I said, a little bit for everyone. A little bit for everyone. Silverado. Yay. And we even have a bus. There is even a bus out here. Miata. Looks to be in fair condition. Look at the bus. All types of stuff in here. Tools. Wow. I wonder if this bus runs. I'm sure it doesn't. Well, there you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic Cars. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out. Yep.